So as a final question, what's the biggest lesson you've learned in your 30 years of studying Tantra and relationships that you wish more people knew?
The biggest, I don't know. I think
Or some that stand out?
yeah, I mean, it's a great question. I have to think about it. I think the best lesson is don't trust what you've been taught.
There you go.
Start looking around for yourself, because a lot of stuff they're teaching you is to control you, and it's not necessarily for your own benefit. So if you are single, really take a look at what they're teaching you about being single. It's actually guaranteed that you won't find someone that way. Or you'll find a bad relationship, because you're not told to look for someone who's going to be your best friend. You're being told that being best friends with someone isn't sexy. It's actually the sexiest thing.
I think so, because the best relationships I had, I was amazed. She was my best friend, like for sure. She was my confidant as much as my sexual partner, for sure.
Yeah, so that's what we're looking for, but they're for some reason they're telling us the opposite. And so I would say that's the biggest lesson I learned is take a look at what they're teaching you and take advice from people who have what you want instead of people who are just spouting off, pretending to be experts.
Absolutely. I help people.
Guy, because he questions authority.
Absolutely.